Do you know about wonders of the world? Currently there are 7 wonders. Let's see what are these.
Taj Mahal, Agra, India.
This mausoleum is the embodiment of Shah Jahan's deep affection for his wife. It has the finest architectural elements and ornate gemstone decor on ivory white marble.
Great Wall of China, Beijing, China.
With construction history dating back to 7th century BC, the Great Wall of China stretches up to 21,196 kilometers.
Machu Picchu, Peru.
This 15th century citadel, with astronomical significance, displays how advanced the Incas were for their era.
The Colosseum, Rome.
This 2,000-year-old oval-shaped amphitheater in the heart of Rome City is an iconic retention of Imperial Rome.
Christ the Redeemer statue, Brazil.
Rio de Janeiro's most famous Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ stands 38 meters tall as a colossal protector of the people.
Petra, a rock-cut past, Petra, Jordan.
The majestic red stone architecture and a whole city carved out of rock cuts earns Petra the name of Rose City. It is one of the grandest man-made architectural marvels.
Chichen Itza, Cancun, Mexico.
Chichen Itza is the remainder of terminal classic pre-Columbian period when it was built by the Mayan and Yucatan civilizations.